students, welcome to Sri Siddh Vidyapith School. I hope you are all doing good and staying safe from this COVID-19. So students, today we are going to solve the question and answers of the chapter Mowgli Finds His Family. So in this chapter we read how Mowgli met the pack of wolves and how he became the part of that pack, what sacrifices they had done to get this baby cub Mowgli. So students, today we are going to solve the question and answers. Use your prescribed textbook for better understanding. We're gonna start. Reading comprehension. You can see right below the chapter in page number 30, the reading comprehension. This is a fill in the blanks to complete the summary of the story. You can use these words. I have given the solution of this fill in the blanks. You do it yourself. We're gonna move on to next one. B. Read these sentences and answer the questions that follow. The cubs stumble over each other in the center of the circle where their mothers and fathers sat, and now and again a senior wolf would go quietly up to a cub. Where were the cubs? The cubs were in the center of the circle on the council rock, a hilltop covered with stones and boulders, where 100 wolves could hide. Why would a senior wolf go quietly up to a cub? A senior wolf would examine the cubs carefully to see if it could be accepted by the pack. How did Mother Wolf react when it was Mowgli's turn? When it was Mowgli's turn to be accepted by the pack, Mother Wolf's neck bristle lifted. Second one. Bhalu has spoken and he is our teacher for the young cubs. Who is Bhalu? Bhalu is a sleepy brown bear. What does he teach the young cubs? He teaches the wolf cubs the law of the jungle. What does he eat? He eats nuts, roots and honey. Move on to next. Answer these questions. C. How did Akela become familiar with the ways of men? Akela became familiar with the ways of men because he had fallen twice into a wolf trap in his youth, and once he had been beaten and left for dead. Why was Bhalu allowed to speak at the pack council? Bhalu was allowed to speak at the pack council because he taught the wolf's cub the law of jungle. He could come and go where he wanted, as he ate only roots and nuts and honey. Describe Bagheera. Bagheera was the Black Panther. He was inky black all over but had panther markings showing up in certain lights like a pattern of watered silk. He had skin that was softer than down and a voice that was soft as wild honey dripping from a tree. None of the wolves dared to cross his path because he was as cunning as Tabacu, as bold as the wild buffalo, and as reckless as the wounded elephant. What did Bagheera offer the wolves as a prize for accepting Mowgli in the pack? Bagheera the panther offered the wolves a fat bull newly killed not half a mile from where they were. Why did Shere Khan continue to roar? Shere Khan continued to roar because he was angry that Mowgli had not been handed over to him. Does the leader of the pack remain in that position forever? What happens to him? The leader of the pack does not remain in that position forever. When he becomes older and grows feeble, he is killed by the wolves and a new leader comes up to the lead pack. Move on to next one. Think and answer. D. Do you think animals think and feel like human beings? Support your answer with examples from the text. Animals do think and feel like human beings. Mother Wolf had developed a motherly affection for Mowgli and did not want to give him up to Shere Khan. Akela the lone wolf, like human beings, was worrying about his future. He was thinking of the time that comes to every leader of every pack when his strength goes from him and he gets feeble and feeble, till at last he is killed by the wolves and a new leader comes up to be killed in his turn. The mother wolves were anxious that their cubs should not be overlooked at the council rock and pushed them into the moonlight. They had the interest of their cubs at heart like human beings. Sher Khan was angry that his wishes were not granted. Second one. In this story, even though the animals keep calling themselves the free people, do you think they really are free? Share your views. The animals kept calling themselves the free people because they were not controlled by anyone. They were free to go where they pleased and where they wanted and were not subject to any captivity. Once the cubs were accepted by the pack, they were trained by Bhalu to follow the law of the jungle and they were allowed to lead their own lives. So students, here are the solutions of this chapter. I hope you will fairly note it down in your class note copy. Read it, learn it. I hope you understand what I tried to say. If you have any doubts regarding this chapter, you can ask me. I am going to clear it out in the next video. Thank you.